Aquapool Technologies has presence in Mumbai, Delhi and Jaipur. We are glad to present information on pool maintenance. Owning a pool is a fantastic luxury. It's an oasis in your backyard, perfect for relaxation and fun. But owning a pool comes with responsibilities. The key to enjoying your pool is proper maintenance. Regular care keeps your pool clean, safe and inviting. Neglecting your pool leads to problems. Algae can bloom, bacteria can multiply, and the water can become cloudy. This is not only unsightly but also a health hazard. It can even damage your pool equipment, leading to costly repairs. This guide provides the knowledge to keep your pool sparkling. From basic cleaning to chemical balancing, we'll cover it all. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in ensuring years of enjoyment. Call us on 90019999767 for help with pool chemicals, accessories and pool cleaning equipment. Pool maintenance involves two main types, physical and chemical. Both are crucial for a healthy pool. Physical maintenance involves removing visible debris and maintaining the pool structure. Chemical maintenance focuses on water balance and sanitation. Physical maintenance includes skimming the surface, brushing walls and floors, and vacuuming. These tasks remove leaves, dirt and other contaminants. Regular cleaning prevents buildup that can harbor bacteria and affect water quality. Chemical maintenance involves adjusting the water's chemical levels. This includes balancing the pH, alkalinity and sanitizer levels. Proper chemical balance prevents algae growth, kills bacteria and keeps the water clear and comfortable for swimming. Let's start with the basics of physical maintenance. First up is skimming. Use a skimmer net to remove leaves, insects and other debris from the surface. Do this daily to prevent the debris from sinking and decomposing in the water. Next, brush the walls and floor of the pool. Use a stiff bristled brush to dislodge any dirt or algae clinging to the surfaces. Brushing prevents buildup and makes the job of your pool vacuum much easier. Finally, vacuum the pool floor. Use a manual vacuum or an automatic pool cleaner to remove settled debris. Vacuuming at least once a week helps maintain a clean and healthy pool environment. Now let's dive into the world of pool chemistry. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. The key is understanding the role of each chemical and how to maintain the proper balance. The most important chemical is the sanitizer, usually chlorine. Chlorine kills bacteria and algae, keeping your pool water safe for swimming. You'll need to maintain a free chlorine level of 1 to 3 ppm. pH measures the acidity or alkalinity of the water. The ideal pH range for pools is 7.2 to 7.8. Keeping the pH balanced prevents eye and skin irritation and helps the chlorine work effectively. Alkalinity acts as a buffer, preventing drastic changes in pH. The ideal alkalinity range is 80 to 120 ppm. Maintaining proper alkalinity ensures a stable pH level, making your job easier. Chlorine is your pool's best friend when it comes to sanitation. It comes in various forms, but the most common are liquid chlorine, chlorine tablets, and granular chlorine. Each form has its pros and cons. Liquid chlorine is the most affordable option, but has a shorter shelf life. Chlorine tablets are convenient for maintaining a consistent chlorine level, but dissolve slowly. Granular chlorine is fast-acting and ideal for shocking your pool, which means quickly raising the chlorine level to kill algae or bacteria. The amount of chlorine you need depends on factors like pool size, weather and bather load. Use a pool test kit to regularly check the free chlorine level and adjust accordingly. Aim for a free chlorine level of 1 to 3 parts per million for safe and effective sanitation. Maintaining the proper pH level is crucial for both your pool equipment and the swimmers. If the pH is too high, the chlorine becomes less effective, leading to cloudy water and algae growth. If the pH is too low, it can corrode pool equipment and irritate swimmers' eyes and skin. You can adjust the pH level using pH increaser, also known as soda ash or pH reducer, which is sodium bisulfate. Test the pH level regularly and adjust it as needed to keep it within the ideal range of 7.2 to 7.8. Remember that adding chemicals to your pool should always be done gradually and with caution. Follow the instructions on the product labels carefully and avoid mixing different chemicals. The heart of it all, your pool's filtration system. Your pool's filtration system is the heart of keeping the water clean and circulating. The filter removes debris and contaminants, while the pump circulates the water through the filter and back into the pool. The most common types of pool filters are sand, cartridge and diatomaceous earth, or DE filters. Sand filters are the most affordable, but require backwashing to clean. Cartridge filters are easier to maintain, but need cartridge replacement periodically. DE filters offer the finest filtration, but are more expensive. Run your pool's filtration system for at least 8 hours a day, preferably during the daytime when the sun is strongest. This allows the chlorine to work effectively and prevents algae growth. Regularly clean or backwash your filter according to the manufacturer's instructions to maintain optimal performance. Troubleshooting 101. Common pool problems and solutions. Even with regular maintenance, you may encounter some common pool problems. Here are a few troubleshooting tips to help you identify and address these issues. Cloudy water. Cloudy water can be caused by several factors, including high pH, low chlorine, poor filtration, or an excess of organic matter. Test the water and adjust the pH and chlorine levels as needed. Clean or backwash the filter and consider shocking the pool to eliminate any contaminants. Algae growth. Algae appear as green, yellow or black patches on the pool surfaces. This indicates low chlorine levels, high pH or poor circulation. Brush the affected areas, adjust the pH and chlorine levels, and run the filtration system for an extended period. Stained pool surfaces. Metal stains can appear as reddish-brown or greenish-blue discoloration. Use a stain remover product or a vitamin C tablet to remove the stains. To prevent future staining, use a metal sequestrant to keep metals from binding to the pool surfaces. Safety first, protecting yourself and your loved ones. Pool. Safety is paramount, especially for families with children and pets. Install a fence around your pool with a self-closing, self-latching gate to prevent unsupervised access. Teach children to swim early and always supervise them when they are in or around the pool. Keep a first aid kit and a phone nearby in case of emergencies. Learn CPR and basic water rescue techniques. Never swim alone, especially at night. Avoid drinking alcohol before or during swimming. By following these safety precautions, you can create a safe and enjoyable environment for everyone. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Conclusion. Enjoy your sparkling oasis. Maintaining a pool may seem like a chore, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these simple tips and establishing a regular maintenance routine, you can enjoy a sparkling, clean and healthy pool all season long. Remember, prevention is key. Regular cleaning, chemical balancing and equipment maintenance will save you time, money and frustration in the long run. So go ahead, dive in and enjoy your backyard oasis. For more tips and personalized advice, call us at 900-199-9767.